So let's take a look at the energy video, and in the front, the reddish color, you see the torus field. But in the back you have the 369 pyramid, constantly inverting, +9, -9, +9, -9. So you have the 369 pyramid. How do you create the inversion? Well, 1 and 2 is 3, 7 and 8 is 15, 1 and 5 is 6, and then 5 and 4 is 9. That is how you create the inversion. So here you have the diagram of a toroid dominated by a counter-rotating pyramid. The 369 is not the godly code, it is the parasitic code. 369 sounds a bit like 666 if you ask me. Let's look for the origins of the counter-rotating pyramid. Let's take a top view of the first pyramid. Isis. The brother of Isis was Osiris, or Isis, reflector of Isis, mirror of Isis. Now we know the name of the pyramid, but what way are they pointing? Let's take a look at the colors. Move the two triangles apart. For people who work with computers, you have two color systems. You have the RGB, the red, green and blue, and that's the upper triangle. And you have the CMYK system. CMYK stands for cyan, magenta, yellow, and the K stands for black. So let's take a look at the CMYK triangle, and in the middle you see this black triangle. The black triangle stands for Osiris, the Lord of Darkness. Then take a look at the RGB triangle, and in the center you see the white triangle. That stands for Isis, Queen of the Daylight. Now we see that Osiris is the down pointing triangle and Isis the up pointing triangle. So that is the code of the parasitic system. But what about our system? Let's check it out. Take the color circle and divide it in 9. Let's create the 1, 2, 4, 8, 7, 5 code. That gives us the following codes: the 1, the 2, the 4, 8, the 7, and the 5. The 0 point is this color. So in a way you could call it Mother Earth blue and not the Isis blue. Here you have the counter-rotating pyramid colors, and here you have the toroid colors. Time for an experiment. Put the 6 colors in a sequence and see what happens. I think if I could speed it up a little bit more, you would see only one color, and that would be 0.0, the blue. Maybe this sequence could have some healing effects, I don't know. Now a lesson in Egyptology. The pyramid pointing upwards represents the Ka, the soul of the living. The pyramid pointing downwards is representing the Ba, the soul of the dead. In the center of this counter-rotating mechanism, you can draw a box. When you create a star in a star in a star, you create an eternal center point, a vortex, a black hole, the Eye of Ra. You also have an eye in the Taurus, the Eye of Horus. Let's explain a few words. In Mecca, you have the black box, the Kaaba. In my view, that is not the Kaaba, but the Kaaba. And why in Saudi Arabia? Well, that is no coincidence.